Setting up an MRP contract in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how a supply or demand contract tells the planning engine about commitments it can't see from sales history and how it factors straight into your coverage numbers. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Contracts from your dashboard. MRP contracts let you tell the planning engine about commitments I can't see from sales history alone, a standing purchase agreement with a supplier, or a guaranteed volume commitment to a distributor. Click Add Contract to start one. Choose whether this is a supply contract, feeding material in, or a demand contract, committing volume out. Then select the material or SKU it applies to, and enter the terms, quantity per period, the period length, and the start and end dates. If pricing is locked in, enter that too. It feeds your cost projections. Once you save it, this contract's quantities factor directly into the coverage numbers on the MRP dashboard. A demand contract increases projected need, a supply contract increases projected incoming stock. Check back on your contracts periodically, especially near their end date, so an expiring agreement doesn't silently drop out of your coverage picture and leave you short. The new contract lands in the list, its quantities now part of MRP coverage.